So, good day, amigos, amigas. So, for today, we have a surprise for Shelby. Right, Shelby? And what is this? She have a box from Lazada. Yay! And now we gonna open this. What's inside of this box, Shelby? Do you have any idea? Do you have? What's your idea? Do you have? And she's very happy. She's always have a gift. What's that, Shelby? Say hi. Say hi. Hello. 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 I'm Shelby. I'm very pretty. She's so nice. She's so nice. So we're gonna check what's inside of this box, okay? And now she's checking. Yeah, she's checking. You open that. Open. Shelby, come here. So now this is the box. So we gotta open this. And Shelby, where are you? What's inside your box? Ta-da-da! Lazada! Lazada! We gotta get a scissor. Shelby, what's in your box? Come here. Come here. Come here, Mamo. Come here. What's inside in your box? Yay! What is this? What is this? This is so good. Thank you, Lazada. It's just 5 days, I think. She have 3 bucks. What is this? You have a 3 bucks of. What is this? Vitamins. What is this, Shelby? What is this, Shelby? What is that, Shelby? Come here. She hold on. Come here. What is that? Oh, what is this? This is it. Okay, we will check. We will check what's inside. We will check. We will check what's inside the box. Wow. What's this? What's this? Wow. So we have a new delivery from Lazada. This is it. Alphabet. This is her vitamins. This is the vitamins of my Shelby. So she always drink this every day. So every day of this is 1 ml. Wait. Kitten. Yeah, 1 ml for the puppies. So this is, I'm gonna show you. So this is her last vitamin. So this is it. Fit. So my doggy really like this because the flavor is so yummy, and this is a multivitamins. And the good thing of this is an organic. This is also good for the cat, rabbit, and Chinchilla birds, and then the flavor at the same time is vanilla. So for this, it takes, for the puppies, it takes 3 months. Yeah, 3 months or 2 months, something like that. And then this is what I'm gonna use every day. She drink this. So for one of this, so puppies for 1 ml. She take this every morning, right, Sure? Because this is almost finished and she have a new one. So this is a promo, so I've got 3, 4, 600 plus for 3. But actually the one price of this is 220. Yeah. So 43, 600 something, but this is a promo, so this is a good price because this is only for 600 something. So she got 3. So Shobi, happy? You have a new appointment. So thank you, Lazada. Very fast for only 5 days, I think. 3 days. Very fast because this is from Manila only. So to Cebu, so of course, very fast. So I got your vitamins, Shobi. So, what you gonna say? So for everyone, if you have a puppies at home, so I can recommend you also this Raffavit. But this one, it's so hard to find in the pet shop. But what I did is, so I go for online Lazada. So there's that. But the price of this is not so expensive, very good. And this is good for a puppy because she like to eat, to sleep. At the same time, she's healthy every day. And look at, this is the face of Rabbit. She did not cut her hair yet, but soon she'll be right. Okay, what you gonna recommend for your sister puppies? Rabbit. Okay, thank you for watching to our vlog and hope you gonna enjoy, and please comment below and subscribe for those not yet subscribed. So thank you for watching. Have a good day, everyone. See you. Bye.